Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Updates. Then let's tap on this Reset option and tap on Reset Network Settings. So here your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So Wi-Fi, mobile data, mobile data, and Bluetooth and NearLink. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Network Settings. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So do it only if you're ready. And tap on Reset Network Settings. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.